The search for the country's Inspector General of Police has been postponed after the National Police Service Commission selection panel today called a press conference to announce the postponement of interviews as the terms of office of two of its nominees expired early this week. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights and Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission have written to Attorney General Githu Muigai and the nominating agencies seeking further guidance with respect to the participation of the two members. Hassan Omar Hassan vacated office as KNCHR Commissioner on Monday, while Okongo Mogeni's term of office as Chair of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission also expired.
We should be able to seek that advice and get it within the week and be able to proceed on account of that advice and clarification.
This means reforms in the National Police Service will be put on hold as the panel deliberates on new dates of the interviews once the AG and the nominating bodies come up with a solution on the way forward for the selection panel. The Hassan Omar Hassan-led panel shortlisted 34 candidates out of 184 who had applied for consideration to serve on the commission that is expected to streamline operations in a revamped National Police Service. The interviews were to kick off today and run until 13th, when 9 people were to be picked to serve on the National Police Service Commission. The team is mandated to recruit the Commission's chairman and 5 members. Once established, the Commission will be responsible for appointing the Inspector General, 2 deputies and the Director of CID. One of the deputies will be in charge of the regular police, while the other will oversee the administration police.
Any Kenyan can become a member of the Inspector General of Police, and therefore it is immaterial for people to try and preempt that process.
Police Commissioner Matthew Itere is said to be interested in seeking the Inspector General's post, while Administration Police Commandant Kenneth Mbogwa will be seeking to be the Deputy Inspector General in charge of the force he currently heads. The National Police Service Act requires that one of the deputies of the Inspector General be a woman.